we wanted to do the further inspection, and for that I'm in page number 90. I hope you can see that. Last day, or in the first, maybe first class, I asked you, or I told you about that we are going to do that math later. Okay, we will do that math later, and I hope you now know why I ask you that we are going to do that math later. I have already shown you the formula part by part, 3 formulas over here. From one formula you can make more 2 formula. This is why I hold it for today. Okay, let's see that there is a student, there is a teacher who was actually dividing the boys group and girls group, dividing the class 5 into boys and girls group. Okay, the boys group was, number of boys was 18, and also number of girls, which they were 12 girls in group. Okay, what did the teacher told them? The teacher told them to calculate the family members of each group average, as average. The teacher asked the boys group to find out the average of their families, and the girls group also, but they are in separate way. But now we know that the total number of total number of family is what? I already teach you that the sum of data means total. Okay, don't forget that part. Sum of data is equal to average into number of student or number of data. Now for the boys group, that part do not mark on your book. This one is pencil, it is totally fine, but in your book do not mark with pen. I know few students with pen. Please, I can tell you names right now, but I don't want to tell you names right now. I don't want to embarrass. Let's see. For the boys part, we are using average into number of data. So average into number of data, we are going to multiply, and we are going to tell the answer. Here again for the girls part, okay, girls part average is 5.3 and number of girls is 12. So average into number of data. So let's find out what is the answer, and I'm coming back. Okay, as I didn't show you again, that I didn't tell you about the what should I say, about the division chapter, decimal chapter. So I'm gonna show you how to do the decimal mass instead. Let's see. 5 is 40. We are going to write down 0 over here, and we will carry on 4. So 5 ones are 5 and 4 makes 9. Do not forget to maintain the number line. Okay, now crossing over here, 32 to carrying 3, 4 ones are 4 and 3, it makes so we are going to add now, well, 11 and say 8. Okay, now look, there was a decimal over here. After decimal, we don't have in the decimal on the top part, only have the lower part. After decimal, we have only one digit. So we are going to count out that one digit from our right side. From which side? Right side. So let's see, only one digit, we'll put it. So your answer is that one. Your answer is that one of this multiplication. Let's do this one. As I was doing the decimal part, I kept that decimal part over under. Now I'm going to do it on the top part over here. Let's see what can we do. That is 6 and 10 as always, and there is 3 and 5. Follow the number line, 6 and 3 and 6. Now let's see. Here we don't have any decimal, we have decimal over here, but we have only one digit after decimal. So from right side, what we are going to do, we are going to count only one digit and put down the decimal. So there is a two decimals, and we have to add them. We have to add them as you see here. Oh my god, I have made my book look ugly. Let's see, do that part. 81.0, 63.6. That is a 6 and decimal and 4, and here we can say, I hope that part, is it correct? Yep, this one is correct. Okay, so let's write down our answer, and I'm gonna erase that part. It's looking very, very ugly. Okay, so what is the answer? Sum of data will be, or total family member will be 144.6. It should be whole number. That would be better. And now number of data. Total number of data is basically, we are going to add the boys number and girls number. Let's see, do that part. Okay, the number of sum of data divided by number of data, and we got the average of whole class, because we have find out the sum of whole class and also the number of whole class. By this we can say that average of number of family members is 4.82. Oh, 4.82 we can say now. Now as I wanted to talk about this one again as a review class, I can say that one of my students was asking me, how did Reza and Meena got 130 and 137? How? I already told you that it is the mark they actually just pick up, literally just they picked up. Okay, nothing like that. It is a correct one, or you have to tell that one, or you have to pick that one. No, it's nothing like that. This is only a pickup number. Okay, I can also pick, like from here I can also pick 120. That would be totally fine, but we cannot go over like smallest number. 130 is the smallest number, and Meena already took it, so you cannot take more than 137 over here. Okay, this is the margin, this is the level 1. We cannot go further than this, but we can go definitely lower from this one. Even we can take 100 also. That is a fact. You can take anything. Now from this, the last page, basically this is the we have already finished that part. I hope you don't have any problem with this, with average one. I already asked you to do it from guide, and this one already we have done it. So this is all for review classes. Still, if you have any question, please let me know. And this is all for today. You take care and be safe, be in quarantine.